Okay, I do not own any of this beautiful, awesome YouTube music. Um, so yeah, all the rights and copyrights to the producers and anyone else involved in creating this music. I'm thankful and I am grateful. I think I might have to say that in every video because I always forget to um, write it under my description. And every once in a while I get a notification, even though there's always music in my videos, I get a notification that says that there's copyrighted music, and then I'm going to put an ad in my thing, and there's like nothing I can do about it. And I don't want any ads in my my videos. And if you don't know about it, I don't know on a phone, but on a tablet or a desktop, get Ad Blocker Plus, and you'll never have ads in videos. Whether it's meditation music, concert music, documentaries, you get Ad Blocker Plus and you turn it on, you won't have ads anywhere, especially YouTube. You'll never, ever, ever see an ad come up with that. So if an ad comes up in mine, get Ad Blocker Plus, and then you'll never have to hear that dang stuff. All right, so anyway, I'm going to show you what this is in a minute. There you go. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? So these are canned non-GMO peaches, and I get them because I'm not into peaches too much, but I wanted to buy some for a couple different things I wanted to do. Mango salsa, mango pico de gallo, and peaches and cream, and a couple other things. So I never done it on peanut butter, not that I remember. I usually do fresh blueberries, fresh strawberries, and fresh raspberries and banana. They all go awesome. I think banana and blueberries are my favorite. Raspberries are alright, but I'd rather have a raspberry jelly. So I'm going to try this with warm peaches. This is a piece of bread, like an Italian-style roll or something, warmed up and crusted in the oven. I put some peanut butter on before it crusted up. Excuse me, it's not peanut butter. I call it peanut butter, but it's nut butter. I'll show you in a second. Then I put the rest of it on and I heat it up so it's a little warm. And then nutso. This stuff is excellent. Walmart online has it for like $8 or something like that, $8 or $9, I think. Although a couple of things did go up in price over the past year, I guess, because what's all going on. So here's what it is. There's no peanuts in it. All right, and where's the sugar on there? I can't see on my camera. I think it says 1 gram. If you can't see it, look up online. It says like 1 gram. And I know you could have saw that, so that's good. All right, so let's try this thing. Peaches and all that seed butter. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I don't buy regular peaches because I don't like the skin. I can't stand the texture of a skin of a peach. But I love peaches like cut like that. Like I just made a peach and mint smoothie. Well, I made a peaches and cream smoothie. Then the next one that was left over, I put some fresh mint in it. So yeah, this stuff's good. This tastes like more along the lines of peanut butter, even though it is. Yeah, you go, camera. You're awesome. All right, almost. Is it the lighting? I'll read it to you. How about that? Cashews, almonds, Brazil nuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, hazelnut, pumpkin seeds, and sea salt. But it tastes like peanut butter. Oh, there you go. All right? And what I do is it's probably like between pasty and slightly creamy. I put it in the speed processor thing, and I turn it into where it can drip nice and smooth from a spoon. I like it smooth and not just creamy, but smooth. So if you like that, it's good. And this is excellent. Peaches and mixed nut butter that tastes more like peanut butter than anything else. All right? Lots of love to you all. Bye-bye.